Dana Osgood is in for Ryan Breton today. The heat has hung around, but it's been interesting to watch that dew point line slowly move down the state.
It's not going to get that much farther, though. I feel like that's a little bit of a trick. We talked about a little bit about this in Weather Weenies, that I feel like a lot of the fronts this season have been very dramatic. The front goes through, you have a lot of storms, there's a big change in temperature, a big change in humidity. Not really something that we're seeing here. It is going to get a little bit cooler, but I don't know if it'll necessarily feel that much cooler because the humidity is something that's going to stick around. It's not going to be super humid, but noticeably sticky. High temperatures today, a lot of us got into the upper 70s, a couple of lower 80s in central and northern Maine. Those areas were able to see the most sunshine today and temperatures responded. And we just talked a little bit about the humidity. Yes, areas of northern Maine are a lot more comfortable, dew points there in the mid 50s, but still in the low to mid 60s in areas of central and southern Maine, and we're going to stick around, no pun intended, these sticky and humid categories as we get into the next few days and even into the weekend as well. We do have a couple of showers hanging around here, mainly in areas of the mountains right near Rangeley, but not expecting too many of those as we go into the overnight hours. That does change, though, by the time we get into the morning, because we have a little system approaching. Most of it is going to remain to the south of us. This model here is a little bit bullish with how much precipitation it gives us. So I think there's a good chance we're going to start out the day with a lot of fog. It'll be pretty dreary, and then we'll have some scattered showers in the first half of the day, mainly in areas of coastal Maine, and then a couple of scattered showers and storms possible in the mountains as we get into the afternoon. Temps are going to be cooler, still a little bit humid, a lot of cloud cover around. And then on Friday, we'll still have a decent amount of fog in the morning, but I think overall it'll be a nicer afternoon. Again, a couple of scattered showers in areas of northern Maine there, then pulling a little bit closer as we get into the evening. A bit more sunshine in the afternoon on Friday, still a little bit of a cooler day there. Because we have so much moisture in the atmosphere, a lot of the days this week are going to start out with some of that fog. The weekend there is no different. So I said it is going to remain a bit in this sticky category. See, a lot of the days here are still going to be remaining in the sticky or humid categories, likely a little bit more comfortable tomorrow, but we bounce right back up to dew points in the mid 60s for this stretch coming up. Temperatures, however, will be on an increasing trend, so we cool down a little bit for tomorrow, start to warm up again towards average Friday and into the weekend, and by the time we get into next week, we could be looking at some bigger heat coming back. The models have been back and forth on just how hot it's going to get, but a lot warmer than it will be the next few days coming up. Marine forecast sees about 3 feet. Ocean temperature is 61 degrees. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast. We'll have a lot of moisture around in the atmosphere, so starting out tomorrow with some scattered showers, mainly in areas of southern Maine, but some of those could creep into central Maine as well. Then, guys, for Friday, still a decent amount of cloud cover around. I think the weekend as a whole looks pretty good. Then things start to warm up again as we get into next week.
Overall, a good stretch.
Think so.
Dana, thank you.